Let's continue with our drawing, and I believe the only remaining regions was this sitting area, this sitting square, and the backrest. So this sitting area, you realize that we had used a measurement of 45 by 45. So what are we going to use now that we want to draw that sitting area? So 45 by 45. So, and we know that this distance between this section was 2 centimeters, and also 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters. So we'll do 2 centimeters plus 2 centimeters, that is 4 centimeters. So 45 minus 4, 41. So we have 41 length, 41 width. Then we can have our height, or our height of that sitting area as maybe 6. So let's continue. We go to mesh. First let's turn this back to this UCS icon by pressing on the UCS wall. So we go to mesh, then box mesh. So what's our first corner? We click on place to start our drawing. So our length, enter, 41, enter, then also 41, enter. Our height, let's put it as 6, enter. So let's add it as this, then we can move it towards this section. Now remember, we'll move this midpoint into this corner here, this corner. So we go to home, then move. What are we moving? This one, enter, this point to that, to this point. Then we smoothen this. So we click on the diagram and we go to smoothen. So mesh, then smooth more. We repeat, smooth more, smooth more, smooth more, smooth more. Believe that's the end of it. Then we click close. Now we are remaining with the back rest. So how are we going to do that? We go to home, then we go to the right. Want to see this, or we can just continue in this manner. We pick line, then from that line we can choose from this section to that section, move downwards maybe to this section, then to that perpendicular, and we move upwards to that section. Then we can pick a line, then draw a line on that side to this side, enter. So let's copy this diagram, we move it outwards. Let's copy this section, this, sorry, we can put it into dy frame so that we can copy. So copy, now copying this one, that one, that one, and that one, enter. Move it in the outward direction, maybe let's place it there, enter. So let's join this. So for I just removed it so that we can join it much easily. So click on that, click on this, also click on that, and click on that, then press enter so that it can be joined. Now we can press pull this one at a distance of is it 45? 45 from the end to end. Let's just press pull it by 45, then we'll see about that. So press pull this distance of well, we can rotate it first. Let's rotate it. So pick rotate. Okay, you can just press pull it by 5, a distance of 5 over 45. So 45, enter. After doing that, we can extrude it. Can do the other way. We can press pull on the upper side. We can press pull on the upper side. Maybe by, because we had 2 earlier, we can add 4, enter, and we move inwards by, we can move inwards, maybe to that section, so that you can have that. Okay, you can have that. You can also have that size. That one will be much better. Delete that, so that we can move this to this section. So move this one, enter from this corner to that corner. So this remaining part, we are not interested in it, so I needed us maybe this section here should move towards that side. Enter. Now we copy this to be at least 3. Delete now that line, not of any help anymore. Also delete this, it's not of help. Then you can move this 4 times. You can copy this one, enter. From this end, maybe you can move maybe that section. You can also move maybe to this section, enter. And we have a wide gap here, so we can repeat move. Can move this one, enter. Maybe from this region to that region. Let's just have something of that kind. So let's try shading it into realistic. Then we go to click on this diagram on that setting region, then right click, go to properties, then we can put that as black, and put that color as black, enter. Then we need to do also from these other remaining sections, these other remaining sections, these ones, all this, select all of them, those all of those. Go to by layer, color, you put color number, select colors, then we can put color number 35, 33, 13, color number 23, color number 25, maybe 25, then okay. Then we have that in that manner. So we can delete this line which is visible on this other side. You can click on those lines. Sorry, let's undo. Okay, you can just put that as a 2D wide 2D wireframe, then click on those lines to delete them. Delete. Sorry, let's undo. Let's undo that. Yeah, we have this. Click on that. It's not working. You can also put into shade, then click on that. It's then click on this and to remove this white. There, delete. You also have this one, this white region, and that one. Yeah, this one, delete. Also have this one, sorry, that one, delete. Then we have that one, delete. That one, delete. We also have this one, click on it, then delete. Sorry, undo, click on this, then delete. So you'll realize that our chair will be in that manner. You realize that our chair is now good to go. 2D wireframe. Realistic view. Okay, so that's our chair. That's our chair. What does it look like? What does that chair look like? Okay, believe up to that point you can be able to draw a chair on your own.